Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm glad that you've joined us today, and like we said last week, it was all things apple. So thank you for those of you who sent in your responses. We had apple crumble, apple lattice pie, apple cake, apple compote. So what are we making with the apples this week? Are you ready? Here we go for the drum roll. We're actually going to be making southern fried apples. Our ingredients are simple. We're going to be using apples, cinnamon, sugar, brown and white, and some vegan margarine. So let's get cooking. Place the vegan margarine into a large frying pan and allow that to completely melt. Once we've peeled and cored our locally homegrown apples, we're going to slice them and place them into the frying pan. The apples should be lightly browned. We're then going to add our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and our 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Stir the sugar in really well so that it covers all of the apples and causes it to start to caramelize. Now we're going to sprinkle over our 1 tablespoon of cinnamon onto the apples. And here we have our southern fried apples served with some natural fresh yogurt, or if you wanted to, you could serve it with pancakes, or if you really want to treat yourself, you could serve it with some vanilla ice cream. Either way, it is absolutely delicious. You've got to try it.